Al-Falah University is the terror den, and today we are going to show you that how the university looks from inside. We will be taking an aerial view of the Al-Falah University and especially the entire area where Dr. Mujammil, Dr. Umar and also in fact Dr. Shaheen used to stay. And now we will be just in few minutes getting an aerial view so as to how this entire university looks from inside. In the pictures you can see that these are the pictures of Al-Falah University, Al-Falah Hospital, because room number 13 plays a very important role over here. Room number 13 was the same room where the entire plot to how to carry out the terror attack was decided over here only. Apart from that, the explosive, if we talk about, then the explosives also were allegedly retrieved or in fact taken from the hospital, from the laboratory itself, and the car of Dr. Shaheen was also parked here, the Brezza car. So these are all the visuals that we are giving you, the top the aerial visuals. And now in fact we'll try to zoom in and show that where the hospital is, how the emergency area looks like, because now the financial frauds, the financial irregularities also of this hospital are under scanner. They will also be probed by EOW and the enforcement directorate as well. Apart from that, back-to-back investigation teams are inside the hospital probing the entire case. The digital evidences are also being retrieved, and these are the exclusive pictures that NDTV is getting you from inside, from the top of the Al-Falah Hospital.